Hello Capricorn, Sun, Moon and Rising, and welcome to this week's readings with me. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe so that you're notified every time I release a new video. So let's get started to see what are the general readings for the Capricorn, Sun, Moon and Rising. And well, how does it start? Well, my dear Capricorns, this starts with an energy of delays, okay? It's an energy of delay, it's an energy of slowdowns, obstacles, all right? So if you were thinking of completing a particular project, getting something done, expect some delays at the beginning of the week, my dear Capricorns. It's not that the things are not going to be completed, but it's just that it's going to take some time, my dear Capricorns, in order to reach the completion of that particular goal that you have set in your mind, be it financial, be it a sentimental goal, be it a professional goal. I see some kind of roadblocks here for you, and I see that things are going to be a bit slowed down. You can also be a bit low on energy levels for some of the Capricorns, and because of that they are, they are feeling a bit slowed down and they want to take time before they finish the job at hand. And otherwise it is going to be some kind of externally created delays are going to influence a particular goal at this point of time. But it's not that you have to give up on the goal, it is just that you have to take the break and accept that this roadblock is here for me to just assess the situation or evaluate the situation and try to see what needs to be changed in order to approach that goal in a better way, so that it gets completed also. So take this time to revise on whatever you have been planning, because this roadblock is coming with a reason, and the reason is always good. Know that, my dear Capricorn. And then we are going to the midweek. Here we see midweek is that even if there are challenges, even if there are some kind of oppositions to what you're saying or doing, you will be provided the proper guidance. You will be provided the proper strength in order to overcome them. So no matter what will come, you will easily overcome it, and you will not even feel that it was an obstacle, it was a challenge, okay? Because the universe is going to provide you with wonderful energy levels in order to get something completed, in order to be the person who is triumphant at the end of the day. Yes, so midweek expect some kind of challenges to arise, but these challenges are not going to be anything that can affect you, my dear Capricorn. So you don't have to worry at all. There can be certain things regarding legal matters, there can be certain things regarding administration papers and things like that. Some things regarding money matters also can pop up at this point of time in the midweek, but there is nothing that you cannot overcome here, my dear Capricorn. So all in all, I feel the midweek is a good energy where you will know how much strength you have in order to just overcome things without even feeling that you have overcome something. This is what I see, my dear Capricorns. And you can expect good results midweek, provided of course that you deal it you deal it in a way which doesn't create more problems. If the problem is there, the strength is going to be there in order to overcome them. But if you add certain things to it which are non required, then you might complicate the situation. So just be careful, because I see a positive energy here in spite of the challenges, but you're overcoming things easily. All right, my dear Capricorn. And then we go to the end of the week. And the end of the week, as you can see, this is about contracts. This is about signing contracts in partnership. It is about as if you are signing a bond with somebody. It can be a job contract that you're signing, a new job contract. It can also be that you and your loved one are taking a trip at the weekend, this weekend, and you're going and you're meeting people. Yeah, this is what is seen. It is also seen that for kind of a leisure trip or a family get together. You and your family, you and your loved one are going somewhere. For some of you, it can also be as if your marriage is on the cards. I almost see the marriage on the cards. I see that marriage is getting fixed for some of the Capricorns at this point of time. Well, some of the Capricorns can almost get married this weekend. This is what I am seeing. So congratulations for that, my dear Capricorn. And I also see that some of you might be approached to start something new in partnership. It can be either you are, bonding on a business level with a friend, sorry, with a friend of yours, and this is a new partnership that is beginning also at this point of time. So all in all, this is a partnership weekend. I see the last few days of the week are seen of bonding, of going somewhere and collaborating, coming together for a purpose. This is what is seen, my dear Capricorns. And when I'm seeing all these energies here for you, my dear Capricorn, the word that comes to my mind is, rather I would say the little sentence that comes to my mind is, let it go, my dear Capricorns, let it go. If you have any unforgiveness feelings, grudges, or hard feelings for someone, then you have to just let it go. This week tells you, these energies are telling you, is that don't build up blocks because of feelings of unforgiveness, the grudge that you're holding against someone. Most probably it might have a reason to hold on that grudge, or most probably it has absolutely no point in, there is no point in holding a grudge, because what are you doing is, when you're actually holding a grudge or you're not forgiving someone, actually, no matter if the person has done something or not done something to you, what you're creating is, you are creating an atmosphere of blockage for yourself. You are creating a literal headache for yourself, my dear Capricorns. What happens is, when we don't forgive, it stays here. And then what happens? Your Agnya Chakra, which is over here, it gets blocked. And this is something to do with forgiveness. So we need to just, when you don't feel like forgiving, just put your hand here and you just say, I forgive everyone. Everyone forgives me. As God has forgiven me, I forgive everyone, and everyone forgives me. Just say that few times, okay? And try to just get that thing out of your head and just surrender it to the divine power. Let the divine power deal with things. You don't have to take it upon you and hold that grudge, be unforgiving towards a particular person for doing something against you. Or if you are feeling, it can just be a feeling. Sometimes it's not even real. Sometimes we feel, oh, this person is against me, but might not be. Yeah, always try to see, is it just you, just like that, you're just wanting to feel it because of some past conditioning? So is it really that the person has really harmed you? Okay, so just try to first discriminate upon that and try to surrender it to the feet of the divine, because like that you can get this unforgiveness feelings out. And once you release those grudges, once you release those unforgiveness feelings, what are you doing? Actually, you're creating a mind and a complete energy of manifesting what you want. Because these feelings, what happens is that they create blocks. And when they create blocks, my dear Capricorn, you can't achieve what you have to. So just leave it at that. Just let it go. Just put it away. You don't need all those negative feelings now. Let all those feelings go away. And then the universe is going to side you, because once you just get rid of all those things, what happens is that a space is created, and this space is clear because you have surrendered it in a very good way. You have not done harm to anyone, and nobody can do harm to you when you don't do any harm, okay, in this case. And then at that time you are just surrendering, and there is a space created, and then the universe is going to fill up this space with beautiful things. Most probably with the things that you have dreamt about achieving. Your goals will be manifested thanks to this wonderful feeling of letting it go. Also, I would like to say that if you face any arguments in this week, some kind of judgmental situation and arguments, don't waste your energy there. Instead, I would say spend this energy in a constructive solution. What happens is that it's really funny, because what happens is that when there is an argument, or or a fight with someone, a verbal fight with someone, or disagreement with someone, each of us wants to prove our point, right? We don't want to accept the other person's point of view. Many a times that happens because each of us feels we are right on our point. I am right on my point, this person is wrong, and I'm going to convince this person that I am right. But actually, none of the parties are, this is where the fight takes place, because none of the parties are trying to see each other's point of view, and they become judgmental, and then the argument starts, and all the energy is spent in the fight. Instead of it, think of the other way. It's like, take that argument, understand each other's point of view, and try to come to a constructive solution there. Not a compromise, but a constructive solution. Because in a compromise, both parties will not get what they want. Nobody gets what they want, actually. That's the definition of compromise, right? So come to a constructive solution, my dear Capricorns, this week. Instead of wasting your energy in proving the point, best is to understand each other, especially in a sentimental relationship, and then whatever, even if it's a long-term hurt, just come to constructive solutions, and that is possible by just understanding each other's point of view and trying to see where is the origin of this, and then afterwards to let go of what is not serving for a particular relationship, my dear Capricorn. So on that, I would like to say thank you very much for listening. Please do like, share and comment, and I shall see you next week. Until then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye. God bless. Bye.